Welcome to this guide on managing discounts within the Howmuch POS system for your retail business. To begin, enter your credentials on the login screen. Type your email and password, then click the Login button to fetch your store data and authenticate your session. The system will now sync your store categories, taxes, and database files. Once all locations show green, proceed to your main dashboard. This central hub lets you swiftly manage online orders, sales, returns, and the new order interface. Click the New Order button to start a transaction. Explore our menu and add items to your cart. In your basket, apply discount codes to eligible products for instant savings. Click the New Order button to start a transaction. Select items like the wooden tray, mouse, or switchboard from the catalog. Once added, you can easily manage pricing by clicking the discount column for any specific item. From this quick window, effortlessly set reductions using either a fixed amount or a percentage rate. Once your choices are made, simply click Apply Discount to instantly adjust the relevant item's price. Click the box next to Adjustments and Discounts. A discount window will then pop up where you can add your discount by either value or percentage. Hit Apply Discounts to apply this reduction across the entire order value. Effortlessly apply your desired discount, specifying either a percentage or a fixed amount. Simply tap the Apply Discount button and observe the immediate update to both the discounted value and your new total. Tap Pay and Deliver to finalize your purchase. A summary will then appear, offering to export as a PDF for WhatsApp or print your receipt. Input the correct payment, click Apply, and your total will instantly update. With all applicable discounts, your order is now ready for final processing.